ActiveCampaign is so powerful and so affordable, but the problem is, just like anything else, there's a learning curve. And let's be honest, you don't have the time to figure it all out. You have a business to run, or you have a life to lead. So you need someone to just help you with ActiveCampaign, and that's where I come in. My name is Carlos, and I want to be your ActiveCampaign guy. I have been hand vetted by Fiverr to provide this Fiverr Pro gig, because not only am I an ActiveCampaign certified consultant, but I'm also a digital marketer certified partner. So that means that I actually get this stuff. There's a lot of techs out there that know how to use ActiveCampaign, but they just don't understand what others are trying to do when it comes to digital marketing. And well, that's where I come in. So if you need help with ActiveCampaign, please reach out to me, and I'd love to see how I can help you out. I will do whatever it takes to earn my 5 stars and provide you with high quality service. Who knows? We may even start a relationship moving forward. So I'm looking forward to speaking with you, and I'll see you on the other side.